Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can display notification as inline text at your desired place in your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Go to notification of your choice. We'll go with the review notification and click on edit. Now, on the right side under design section, you will see embed into your HTML option. You can use this option to show notifications without pop-up. To set it up, turn it on and you will get HTML code. You can add this HTML code on the desired place where you want to display notification. You can see a preview of how your notification will look like without design. If you want to show notification with design, you can turn this option on and the notification will be displayed with the design. As you can see that when you turn off the design option, the notification is displayed as inline text and not as a pop-up. We also have an option to show multiple data as a live feed. If you turn this on, multiple reviews will be displayed at your desired place. You can also customize the height of the live feed and the space between the notifications. Let's turn this option for now and let's see how you can set it up. Make sure that you have installed the pixel on the page where you want to display the notification. Now, copy this code and go to a website. Now let's say that I want to add notification here below the contact us page. You can add it anywhere, like below the CTA button, subscribe button, or at any place where you want to trigger certain actions by showing social proof. Now, what you have to do is find your website HTML code and place visor notify HTML code at desired place. Now that the code is added, let's save it. Also save the notification settings in dashboard. Once you have done it, go to your website and refresh it. As you can see, the notification is live on your website as inline text. The reviews will keep changing automatically after certain intervals here. So that's how you can show notification at your desired place as inline text in your website. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or email us at support@visor.notify.com.